Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install shaders for Minecraft on PC so your game should look like this. So the first thing what you need to do here, you just need to write on Google shader packs Minecraft, and probably it will be the two websites, Modrint and CurseForge. From both of these websites, it's super safe and easy to download it and you don't need to worry about it. Then in my case I will use Modrint, and you need to download few resource packs. So the first one is BSL shaders. So you just need to select version, select latest one, 1.25.x is good. So download it here, save it to your desktop. Then here you need to write makeup ultra fast, select this, go to version, also download the latest version here. After that, then what you need to do here is to go to Iris Shaders on Google. You just need to write it, select Iris Shaders.dev and download it to your computer as well, right? And save it to your desktop. Once you got every file on your desktop, make sure that Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher are completely closed, but also make sure that you played Minecraft 1.25.7. Then what you need to do here is to right click on Iris, then open with, and then select Java here, and you'll get this window. Make sure that 1.25.7 is selected here and press install, and it should be completed. The only way it's not will work if your Minecraft is launched. And after it's completed, then you just need to launch your Minecraft. Once Minecraft Launcher is opened, select Minecraft Java Edition, go to installations, then make sure Modded is selected, select Iris, and then you just need to press play here. And then I understand and just press play. Once in the game, then you just need to go to options, then you need to select resource packs, and then you need to select open pack folder. Sorry, not resource packs, but video settings and shader packs. Then what you need to do here, you need to drag and drop these particular files that we just downloaded. So these two, and you just need to drag it and drop it, right? Then what you need to do here, make sure this one is selected, and then make sure is to enable it. So make sure it's enabled and then press done, and after that should turn shader pack yellow. And then you just need to go in game, and then you can change between these two shader packs. So first one, it will be BSL. So guys, I'm in game, and now as you can see here, it's BSL pack. And if I want to, I can go to options, and then I can go to video settings, shader packs, and change it to another one, right? So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like. Take care.